Hello everyone!
আশা করছি আপনারা সবাই ভালো আছেন
And welcome to Dolly's Food Fusion, the cooking show where my husband and I attempt to recreate his family recipes.
Many of you know my mom's cooking from our previous videos. Now that we are living in America and we really miss good Indian home cooking, we have decided to try it ourselves.
You are currently watching the final video in our 5-part Durga Puja special series. Click on the link up above to see our entire playlist of mouth-watering Kolkata street food recipes. We also have a ton of recipes coming to you throughout the entire festival season, so make sure you're subscribed to our channel with the notification bell on so that you can be the first to see them as they come out. Today we're making Kolkata-style chow mein. It's a highly popular Indo-Chinese dish, and this version originated in Calcutta and quickly spread throughout all of India, and for good reason. So what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking! So we have all of our ingredients here. We're going to start with 500 grams of chow mein noodles, boiled and then tossed in oil. One medium-sized sliced onion, about 1/2 of a sliced cabbage, 2 julienned carrots, 1/2 of a sliced capsicum, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 4 sliced green chilies, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoons of red chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So we're going to start with beating our eggs with some salt. Now it's time to cook our chow mein. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to a kadai and heat it to high flame. Add your medium sliced onion and saute for a few minutes. Add your teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and your 4 sliced green chilies, and saute for another minute. Now add your 1/2 of a sliced capsicum and your 2 julienned carrots, and saute on high flame until the onions turn dark golden. Now we're going to add your 1/2 of a sliced cabbage and saute for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now it's time to add your 500 grams of boiled chow mein noodles. Also add your 1 teaspoon of salt here and begin to toss it all together. Add your 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, as well as your 1.5 teaspoons of red chili sauce. Mix it all together and continue to toss. Now add your 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and continue to toss. So if you'd like a vegetarian version of this dish, you can actually stop here. But now we're going to move our noodle mixture to the sides of our kadai and add some oil to the center. Add your beaten eggs and scramble until they're cooked to your liking. Now mix them in with your noodles. And you can add more salt to taste here if you like. And that's it. Now you're ready to eat your delicious Kolkata chow mein.
Make more.
And welcome to Dolly's Food
Fusion. Ford Fusion.
Ford Fusion.
Ford Fusion.
You know that's a car.
Oh, Ford Fusion. Okay.
Oh, Ford Fusion.
I'm disappointed.